very close to my heart here, and that is dogs. Well, two subjects, dogs and serviced accommodation. My two favourite topics here. We're combining them both for this video. We are using this property here as a case study. Now, as a very general rule, we would encourage hosts to take dogs over the space of 5 years. I think taking pets would earn you more money than not taking pets. This isn't a video about taking pets or not taking pets. I'll keep that short and I'll finish there. And guys, we always encourage people to take pets in properties that are suitable. This case study, look at those beautiful dogs. This case study here is how you might make your property even more attractive and double down on the dog aspect. This is a great study here. These guys have done it very, very well. They're utilising their pictures, their marketing, their social media, even their SEO behind the scenes, all to double down on that niche of taking dogs. Let's have a look at it here. Get my ugly mug out the way. Even in the titles, 4-bedroom detached dog welcoming. We'll go down and look at that picture. They've can I go back to that? Tan pits, that is their the possum. They've got a picture of a dog drinking out a personalised branded cup. So these guys have done very, very well, which is why it's a great case study. As we go down, I suspect the titles and the SEO and the words they use will be here. All about dogs as well, because they want to come up comfortable for dogs and the people. Dogs welcome in all rooms. So there's no I will accept dogs under these 14 terms with £1,000 deposit. These guys get it. And I suspect this property here, had they operated that and I saw it was up for sale, they've been operating it for, I think, 8 years. They would have made more money over those 8 years taking dogs than they would have blanket banning dogs. I can guarantee you. If they said no to dogs, they would have earned substantially less money. So even if they added up all the damage, even if they added up the extra cleaning bills, they would have made more money. So the words they're going to use here, definitely dogs, pictures of dogs, loved ones in your dogs. I think if I click that and see what that's saved as, it should probably, hopefully, 4 dogs on wall. So dog-friendly properties, these, we could do better with that, but this property is going to rate highly wherever it is. Devon, I think, bet that video shows dogs. So let's else to do. Well, let's see the photos. What I love, photos, pictures of their property, which is my two favourite things, dogs and property. You wouldn't think, who would want to see pictures of dogs that have stayed there before? Your exact target market is who would want to see pictures of dogs. Let's have a look. So if you like dogs, you want to see, is my dog suitable here? Because dog owners will self-select out. I have 2 rescue dogs. If I wanted a big property, I would rent there because the owner's comfortable. And it suits the dogs. They can run about. There's no drama. There's no crazy rules. But if I had to, I wouldn't persuade an owner to take my dogs if it was a terrace property where there was neighbours either side, because my dogs are anxious. So dogs owners would self-select out from properties that aren't suitable. So what they've done here is obviously building social proof, not with people and customers, but with happy dogs. Look, now there'll be dogs shitting everywhere. There'll be dogs doing bits and bobs, chewing cushions. They're not putting them on. And this was up for 8 years, there would have been some damage by dogs, but it would not have. And there's somebody cleaning their dog's paws. So somebody's thought about this. So look at these beautiful pictures. I love that one because they're drinking out of a branded mug. Wood burning stove. They're sentencing their dog drying off in front of that fire. So someone's put a lot of look at these pictures. Fantastic. And treats, branded treats. So these guys are doubling down here, and there's obviously something there. I would suspect what we would do to reward them, we have pillow neckerchiefs. So we would give people money off their next stay, pillow pounds, to give us pictures of the dogs and their neckerchiefs. That's what we do at Pillow to try and get direct bookings. So what these guys have done is similar. I think it's great. I'm not going to play the video for you guys. You get the drift of this. Their SEO will be set up, their H tags, their social media as well. I suspect if I go to their Facebook, I'm not clicking. But I suspect if I go to their Facebook, they will have lots of pictures of dogs. So these guys are doubling down. I just think this is an amazing strategy. And if you are accepting dogs, this is a great case study. Replicate what these guys are doing.